we're launching the new standard in global payroll technology. This is Mercans AI Insights.
And let's be perfectly clear, this is not some incremental improvement. This is the world's first AI-powered payroll validation solution, period.
What this means is the old way of doing things, it's obsolete. We're talking about a completely new paradigm for validation. So what does that shift actually look like? Well, the old way was all about manual checks, vague flags, and constantly putting out fires. The new standard? It's AI-powered insights, actionable remediation, proactive anomaly detection, and a level of accuracy that's just on another level. It all starts with our dual-engine system. First up, proactive input intelligence. The whole idea here is simple. Catch and kill anomalies before they ever hit the gross-to-net calculation. And the scale of this is, well, it's massive. We're running a pre-gross-to-net analysis on your current payroll data, checking it against 12 full historical periods for every single employee. Okay, so what does it find? First, the deterministic rules. It instantly flags duplicate rows, and it identifies any non-positive values where they shouldn't be. Then it gets smarter. It sees missing recurring elements, like a basic salary that suddenly disappears, and at the same time it flags any new ad hoc elements that just don't fit the historical pattern. And this is your critical financial guardrail. We're running spike and drop deviation analysis against historical medians to catch those major variances, the stuff that really matters. But we don't stop at the input. That's just half the story. The second core of the engine kicks in after processing, statutory validation. This is where we bring in the LLM. It's actually recreating payslips from the gross to net data and then validating them against hyperspecific country-level statutory regulations. The speed and depth of this kind of compliance check, it was literally impossible before now. And our methodology here is really strategic. Look, we know that if one employee has a statutory problem, it's rarely an isolated incident. So we use a scalable, AI-driven sampling approach to find those systemic, macro-level issues with incredible efficiency. So what's powering all this? It's our Agnostic AI Engine. The key here is that it's country-agnostic by design. It doesn't matter where you operate. The system dynamically figures out the legal entity context and validates against the right local rules. Total global scale. And the best part? Zero lag. This adds absolutely no time to your workflow. The AI insights are generated concurrently. It's all the intelligence with none of the weight. We built this for the enterprise, plain and simple. It's got robust guardrails baked in, async batching for scale, structured output enforcement for consistency, and graceful degradation so you always get the findings. Now let's talk security, because it's paramount. The data is anonymized. We only send employee IDs and the anomaly data itself to the LLM. All generated text is completely scrubbed of PII. Okay, so you've seen the tech. What does this actually mean for your operations? Simple. This is your new strategic advantage. It boils down to three things. 1. Clarity. You get human-friendly summaries with clear remediation hints. 2. Efficiency. You're going to drastically cut down those manual triage and review cycles. And 3. Accuracy. We're talking enhanced compliance and data integrity at massive scale. So, it really just leaves one question on the table. Is your payroll validation process built for yesterday, or are you ready for tomorrow?